Road Dog Crypto. Hello, my peeps, and welcome back to Road Dog Crypto. My name is Lane, your crypto road dog, coming to you today with a video I haven't put one out in a little while, but now I have some subject matter to share with you. This particular project makes a good long-term hold and also a trade for the current time frame. So join me today as we take a look at Polkastarter. Guys, for those of you not in the know, Polkastarter is focused on, of course, the Polkadot ecosystem, and it's a decentralized fundraising platform that empowers Web3 projects to launch and raise funds through multi-chain token pools while significantly growing their communities. It's a cool thing. You can actually hoard this little coin, put it to use for you, get in on some of these very brand new projects when they first come out. There may be some security issues. Check your local laws and permissions and things like that of that nature if you plan to go this route. But trading this token or holding this one long term could make you very, very happy in the future. So let's take a little look at some of the details about Polkastarter, and then we're going to jump into the chart and let me show you how to work this upcoming trade. Now, just to quickly recap the basic tokenomics of this coin, maximum supply is 100 million. That rings my bell. I like that a whole lot. Circulating supply is almost just as good as 99.3 million are already out there. There are no VCs to dump on our head. The coin is there, baby. But get this, the market cap right now is $32 million. Crazy low. Now, why is all this important? When we zoom out and look at the chart, oh, this one had a good run, not just once, but twice. All-time high for this project was $7.51.
What?
Yeah, all-time low was about 2 years ago at 11 cents. We have not fell back to that low level. That's a good sign, people. And I don't mean to make you dizzy by flopping around like this. Let's just look at some important statistics here. 49.7 million raised capital, 111 ideas that have been funded, 394 million projects market cap, 35.9 thousand unique participants. They have a poolside accelerator in partnership with Polkastarter. Find out more about that, but one thing that we want to look at right now is an upcoming event on Polkastarter. New project getting ready to launch. They need to raise $650,000. Maximum allocation that you can do on this token sale is $500. Token sale is getting ready to launch on here, meaning people are going to need some Polkastarter to get in on this deal. Now, let's take a look at the chart. Now, the first thing I'm going to point out to you, first of all, is the 2-week chart, where we got low stochastics at the bottom turning to the upside. VWAP, the volume weighted average price, just peaked above the 0 level and got a green dot on market cipher on the 2-week. Now, I'm going to bounce around here. The weekly looks good. It's just now getting started. And I want to point your attention to this chart. You can see where I've got these 2 red lines. That is a zone that we have got to get above. Currently, we're working on that. Now, there's a big wick right here. This price ran up to 43 cents and then quickly dropped back down to its current levels, currently at 36 cents. Now, we will look at some smaller time frames in just a second, but just to give you a general overview, what we're expecting is a breakout of this falling wedge. It has already broken through here with this wick, meaning that this trend line is now weakened again, and we can look for a bump up, and what we want to see is for it to land back here at this area 34 cents and not fall below. This will be a retest, and that is where I'm recommending to buy this. Not now, not when it spikes, but when it comes back down, and that is crucial to playing this one out. Let's come to the daily chart just so we can take a closer look at that and see what's going on. And let me explain why that this is very crucial to play this exactly as I'm saying. On the daily, on our indicators, we can see we got a little red light, green light going on. Things are wanting to come down a little bit on the daily. We are currently testing this dotted trend line I got here. Now, there is a chance, there's a real chance this could break. And if this line does break, and it will most likely do a retest, then we're looking for some more downside action. That's why I'm saying we want to wait till we actually get the breakout. When it comes back down to retest this area, 64% chance that it will come back right down to the 34 cent area after the breakout. That's our buy. That's our sniper. Get in on this breakout retest. If this scenario does not play out and we break down to the downside, you're looking probably about 26 cents, which is also a great place to jump in for, say, a long-term hold. Now, here's the thing about it. This is happening on CPI release date, so we've had a lot a lot of just reckless trading going on as these market makers are just kind of clear out all the longs and shorts on everything, right? On this 4-hour time frame, we are currently finding support on this 200 moving average. As long as we stay above this on the 4-hour, this project is golden for a move to the upside, okay? So you could risk and get in about 32 cents where the price is now, but you know you are putting yourself at higher risk than waiting for the breakout. Now, that depends on your trading style. You may be more of a degen. I am more of a degen. I would probably jump in right now and put a tight stop just to save myself from further action. That's just me, but the conservative play would be the wait for the breakout and then the retest 34-cent area. Just want to keep driving that home for you guys, okay? But in my opinion, this one is getting ready to rock. The 4-hour looks beautiful for some more upside and a bounce off this trend line. Our moving averages have all crossed over this 200 moving average, which makes them extremely bullish, except this 100. And baby, it's on its way. It's going to take it a couple of candles, maybe a day or two to actually break up above there. But when it does, that's when we'll see the big breakout that we're actually looking for. So keep that in mind. Now, how much can you make on this as a trade and how much can you make on this as, say, a longer term hold, maybe a midterm hold? Well, let's just zoom out just a little bit, go back to the weekly, and let's take a look at this because I've got this all mapped out for you. Let me blow it up all nice and pretty for you so we can talk about it. Get into 34 cents and we come up to the first target at 50 cents. Will give you a 47% return on your investment. Would you like to put $100 in here and come out with 150? That's what will happen if you do that. But if you can wait and put another target up here at the 618 area, maybe just take a little tiny fraction here at 50 cents, but wait till we get up to 56, 57 cents to take out, you know, maybe half your position. I don't know. 66% return. $1,000 will give you $1,660 back. $660 profit if you go that route. And this is spot. This is not even including margin. Oh gosh, if you go that, but be careful. You could really clean up with this potential trade. 786 level Fibonacci comes in at 64 cents, and that would give you an 88% return. The one in 1,000 would give you $880 free and clear, minus taxes. Don't forget them taxes. They will come after you. Put some aside for taxes. But a very good trade, a very good swing trade that could take, you know, a week or two to play out so they reach these levels. Now, for you guys that are looking at getting in this for a long-term hold and investment, we got a new bottom here. There is the chance we could come down lower, so that's why I say buy the retest of this. But our targets for this longer-term hold, this mid-term hold idea, maybe holding this for a couple of months, come in at 87, almost 88 cents and 94 cents. Now, for you guys jumping in at that level, say at 34 cents, taking some profit up here at 87.5 cents, you're looking at 150% return on your investment. That $100 that you might risk at this point has now given you back that 100 plus 150. Does this get you excited? Because this gets me excited because I love this time in crypto when we can do this and moonbag these projects, take out our capital, and then we got a free bag on the house to put away, tuck away for the bull market when this price can go back up to 7, 10. Who knows how high this can go in the bull market? One other target that we can look at right here, buying at 34 cents, selling for a midterm hold around 168% profit. Need I explain myself anymore? You put money into this and you get a whole lot more back out. Polkastarter. Do your own research, go to CoinMarketCap, go to the website, check out the white paper if you're looking for this for a long-term investment. If you're just trading, all you really need is the charts and your indicators, and it says it's coming, baby. Until next time, my name is Lane, your crypto road dog, reminding you are in crypto at the right time to make some life-changing gains. This coin, I believe, is one that can help you do it long-term or short-term. And until next time, remember, you got this, baby.
If you like what you see, then please subscribe, eh? And if you like what I do, then smash that like button too. And if you love to TradingView, leave a comment down below. I like road dog crypto. I like road dog crypto.